In our textbook, it says finding a z-confidence interval for the mean when you use raw data. What you need to do is hit Stat, Enter. You need to clear out your list if there's data in it already, and type the following data values in there. So everyone, could you please do this with me right now? Please type in the data values of 27, 16, 9, 14, 32, 15, 16, 18, 16, and 13. Now, if you highlight the last data value, the calculator will count how many data values you typed in there, and it will show it in the parentheses. So we typed in 10 data values. That means your sample size is 10 for this example. Now, if you're reading in the book, it says enter the data into L1. We've already done that. Step 2, press Stat, move the cursor to Tests. You can do that by clicking the left arrow once. And then I want you to find the choice that says Z interval. It's choice 7. You can just press the number 7 button, and that will give you some choices. Now, if you know that you've typed data into a list, you're going to have to move the cursor over to the data and press Enter. So do that now, please, if you have not already done so. After you press Enter, go down to where it asks for your standard deviation. For the example that we're doing, it says find the 99% confidence interval for the mean when sigma equals 6. So please say that's 6. It also says make sure that L1 is selected if that's where you put your data, and make sure that frequency says number 1. Then where it says C level, that's your confidence level. If you want 99% confidence interval, here's where you put 0.99. Alright, so if you've typed all that into the display, you're ready to highlight, calculate, and press Enter. What this means is the calculator has given you your limits, but the calculator does not know what you should round to. So that's still your responsibility. You need to take these two numbers, separated by the comma, and round them so that they're the same place value as your x bar. Or I should say, one additional place value than your raw data. Since our raw data was to the nearest whole number, we should be rounding our limits to the nearest tenth. So if I was to do this on paper, from this calculator display, I would have a lower limit of 12.7, which is less than mu, which is less than 22.5. That's what I would get if I was to round the limits to the nearest tenth, which is one additional place value in the raw data.